Hello and welcome to MHT. On our channel, we share the amazing health and beauty benefits of spices and food items that are commonly found in our kitchen. Today's video is on the amazing health and beauty benefits of saffron. Saffron is a spice that has been used for thousands of years in cooking and traditional medicine. Today, we will take a closer look at some of the most impressive benefits of this spice and how it can improve your overall health and beauty. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world because it must be harvested by hand. It also takes a large quantity of blossoms and dried stigmas to make 1 kg of the spice. However, you often won't need more than a pinch in your recipes. Saffron is a commonly used spice in many traditional dishes, and it's no surprise why. It has a unique flavor and aroma that can enhance the taste of any dish. But did you know that it is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your health? Research has shown that saffron has a range of health benefits, including improving mood, reducing inflammation, and even aiding weight loss. It contains a compound called crocin, which is believed to be responsible for many of these benefits. Today, we are going to share some easy and effective tips to use this spice to improve your health and beauty, so make sure that you watch this video to the end. Saffron tea recipes. One of the best ways to enjoy the health benefits of this spice is by drinking saffron tea. This tea is easy to make and can be enjoyed at any time of the day, and is believed to help with digestion, reduce anxiety, and improve mood. Drinking this tea boosts your heart health and immunity. It aids in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure as well as reducing inflammation. Additionally, it can lessen oxidative stress. We will share a few recipes to make the saffron tea so that you may choose one that suits your taste. Saffron tea. Our first recipe is a plain saffron tea that you can make with only 2 ingredients. To make this tea, you will need 2 cups water, 6 to 8 strands of saffron. Optionally, you may also add 1 teaspoon of agave nectar, mint leaves, lemon wedge. To make your tea, bring water to a boil, then turn off the heat. In a cup, put the saffron and agave, pour the boiling water on top, give it a stir and let it sit for a couple of minutes. It will turn the water a bright yellow color due to the saffron. You may add mint and lemon if you wish. Mint is a great addition if you want that kick of freshness. Lemon adds a fresh citrusy note to the tea. And that's it. Enjoy this detoxing and relaxing tea. Our next recipe adds the zesty ginger flavor to the tea. Saffron Ginger Green Tea. To make this tea, add some saffron strands in water and put it to a boil. Add some grated ginger and let it simmer. Add the green tea and let it boil for a minute or so. Strain and serve hot with some lemon and honey. Our next recipe is for viewers who like their tea with milk. Saffron Milk Tea. You can boil some saffron strands in water, add some non-dairy milk and sugar, and let it boil. This aromatic creamy saffron tea is all you need in winter. Finally, let us share a tea with a spicier taste. Saffron Masala Tea. Crush some cinnamon, black pepper, and cardamom. Boil the dry spices with some saffron strands in water. Add tea and let it boil. Once it's done boiling, you may optionally add some honey as a sweetener and enjoy the hot and relaxing masala tea. Saffron is also known for its beauty benefits. It has been used for centuries to improve skin complexion and treat a range of skin conditions. Let's explore some of the incredible benefits of this spice for our skin. Saffron skin benefits. Saffron is highly rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities make it the ultimate go-to ingredient that can fight acne-causing germs. A lesser-known quality is its capability to heal minor scars and scratches, as it can boost your skin cells' recovery rate. Saffron is known to work wonders for blemished skin too. One of the highly raved about effects of using this spice has to be its glow-boosting properties. It contains antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress and prevent the signs of aging. Saffron can help improve your skin's texture, reduce dark circles, and promote hair growth. We are going to share a few no-fuss tips to add to your skincare routine and get the amazing benefits it has to offer. Our first tip is for a skin toner that is very easy to make. Saffron skin toners. A few strands of saffron can be soaked in rose water to make an aromatic toner to hydrate and refresh your skin. Mix it and pour the contents into a spray bottle and spray your face for an energizing effect. Next, we discover the benefits of saffron as a cleanser to get bright and glow skin. Saffron and milk cleanser. Saffron strands can be infused in raw milk and used as a natural cleanser for the skin. Dip a cotton ball in this milk and cleanse your face with it for an instant brightening effect on your skin. Our next tip is about a saffron moisturizer that you may add to your nighttime skincare routine. Saffron Moisturizer. Saffron oil can be added to base oils to create a moisturizer. Fill a 1 ounce bottle about 2/3 with a carrier oil, like almond oil or grapeseed oil. Add 3 to 5 drops of saffron essential oil. Apply to your skin with clean fingers. Next, we cover how saffron can be mixed with sandalwood to make an all-natural glow-boosting face mask. Saffron and Sandalwood Glow Boosting Mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 2 to 3 strands of saffron, and 2 spoons of milk. Wash your face and wipe with a cloth before applying this face mask. Apply it while your face is still wet. Massage your skin thoroughly in a circular motion. Allow it to dry for 20 minutes, then rinse off. This mask should be applied once a week for maximum results. Black spots and dark circles are a common problem in today's busy lifestyle. Our next tip provides a home remedy to get rid of this problem. Saffron for dark circles. Black spots and dark circles on the face fade away with regular use of this remedy. Saffron brightens up the complexion and rejuvenates the skin tone. To make this remedy, you will need 2 to 3 saffron strands, 2 tablespoons of water. Soak the saffron in water overnight and blend the strands thoroughly in the morning until they dissolve completely. Apply this under the eyes and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Also, apply this water to any dark spots on your face. Rinse it off with water. Repeat this every morning for refreshed skin. And finally, a remedy for people with dry and dull skin. Saffron and milk powder for dry skin. The benefits of milk get highly concentrated in its powder form. Combined with the goodness of saffron, this can be conveniently used to treat dry and dull skin issues. To make this face pack, you will need a 1/4 cup of clean water, 4 to 5 saffron strands, 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix all the ingredients to make a paste. Apply the mixture to the face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Wash the face pack off with plain water. For best results, apply this face pack twice a week. Saffron is not only for the beautification of skin, it also aids in the healing of skin diseases like psoriasis or eczema. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of our next tip helps to enhance your skin health from the inside. Saffron lemon drink. To make this drink, you will need a quarter tablespoon of saffron, a half tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of warm water. Combine the saffron and warm water in a small bowl. Mix it well and keep it aside. Combine the lemon juice, sugar, and saffron water mixture along with 3 cups of chilled water in a deep bowl and mix well. Pour the drink into 3 individual glasses and serve immediately. In addition to the benefits to our skin, the antioxidants in saffron can also help prevent hair loss. The spice repairs hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Next, we are going to share a couple of tips to include this miraculous spice in your hair care routine. Saffron Hair Mask. To make this mask, all you need to do is soak a few strands of saffron in milk and add licorice to the mixture. Mix well till you get a paste. Apply this to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Repeat twice a week for best results. Our next tip is for saffron infused hair oil. This hair oil is excellent to protect the hair from damage and promote hair growth. It also helps in arresting hair fall. This infused oil can also be used for the skin. Saffron infused hair oil. To make this oil, add 1 teaspoon of saffron strands crushed or a little saffron powder to almond oil or olive oil in a bowl. Heat on low flame for 5 minutes. Once it attains room temperature, pour it into a bottle and store. Day by day, the beneficial ingredients present in saffron get mixed with the oil gradually. Shake the bottle well and apply a little quantity over the scalp and hair regularly. Saffron for brain health. Saffron has been nicknamed the sunshine spice. And that's not just because of its red and sometimes yellow coloring. The spice is believed to have mood-boosting properties. A review in the Journal of Integrative Medicine examined several studies involving the use of saffron for the treatment of depression in adults over 18. Researchers found that it did improve symptoms for people with major depressive disorder. Saffron also helps to improve learning and memory problems. This promising research shows that it may have the potential in treating diseases that affect the brain, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This spice also can support optimal eye health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help to restore the structure and function of retinal cells. Our final tip is an easy and delicious recipe to help improve your mood and brain health. Saffron almond milk. To make this drink, you will need 7.5 cups of whole milk, a half cup of blanched, sliced almonds, 1 teaspoon saffron threads, plus 2 pinches for garnish, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, 6 tablespoons honey. First, bring milk to a boil in a medium saucepan over high heat. Reduce heat to low and add almonds, saffron, cardamom, and honey. Simmer, stirring, until all the ingredients are well combined, about 5 minutes. Serve hot, garnished with saffron. So there you have it, the top health and beauty benefits of saffron. Whether you're using it in your cooking or adding it to your beauty routine, saffron is a versatile spice that can improve your overall health and well-being. Try incorporating this spice into your diet today and see the amazing benefits for yourself.